to video teaching. It's chemistry for class 10. In chemistry, we are reading about chemical bond. In last video, I explained the definition and the main types of chemical bond. There are two main types of chemical bond: electrovalent bond and covalent bond. Some other special type of chemical bonds are also there, as coordinate covalent bond and hydrogen. Today I will discuss the conditions that favor the formation of electrovalent bond between elements and also the properties of ionic compounds. What are the conditions that favors the formation of ionic bond? Ionic bond or electrovalent bond is formed when one of the elements is highly electropositive and another of the participating element is highly electronegative. That is, one of the element is reactive metal and another participating element is a reactive non-metal. For example, sodium and chlorine. Sodium is a highly electropositive and chlorine is a highly electronegative. So between these two elements, ionic or electrovalent bond will be established. Second condition, thus first condition is that one of the participating elements should be highly electropositive, that is reactive metal, and another element must be highly electronegative or a reactive non-metal. Second condition is that the valence cell configuration of one of the elements should be 1, 2 or 3. This number of valence electron in the metal atom should be 1, 2 or 3, and in the electronegative element the number of valence electrons should be 5, 6 or 7. Right? Valence cell configuration, alternately we can say that valence cell configuration of the elements having 1, 2 or 3 valence electron and another element having 5, 6 or 7 valence electron favors the formation of ionic bond between the elements. Okay? Thus there are two conditions which favors the formation of electrovalent bond between the elements. One is one of the participating elements should be a reactive metal and another must be a reactive non-metal. The valence cell configuration of one participant should be 1, 2 or 3. That means one of the participants should be 1, 2 or 3 valence electron, while another should be 5, 6 or 7. Now we will discuss the properties of ionic compounds. Ionic compounds made by ions. They are not made by molecules. The ions, two types of ions, cations and anions, are arranged in a definite pattern to form the crystal of ionic compound. First point. Second point, ionic compounds are crystalline solid. Right? They exist in crystalline form, crystalline. Next, ionic compounds have very high melting and boiling point. This is due to the high electrostatic force of attraction between the ions by which the compound is made up. Ionic compound conduct electricity in aqueous solution or in molten state. Well, ionic compounds have no polarity, right? Has no directional property. These are not directional. So these are some important properties of ionic compounds. Ionic compounds made by ions They exist in crystalline state. The density of ionic compound is very high as the ions are compactly arranged. Ionic compounds have high melting and boiling points. Ionic compounds in solution or in molten state conduct electrons. More about chemical bond I will discuss in next video or in next online class. That's all. Thank you.